Good news for video editors. Now you can create your own video footage with AI, which will benefit video editors a lot. So let's see how to do it. We will go to the Runway website, and here we can come to the generate video. We will enter a chain 2, and here we will write the video we want to create. I commented here wanting to see Spider-Man in Dubai. It has made a city image of Dubai. But I want to see Spider-Man here in the desert of Dubai. See here Spider-Man being shown in the desert Dubai. Select the video you like. I made this video here. Here the video will take some time to load. Watch the video here. From here you can download video footage. To download video footage in good resolution, you must pay for it. Then I want to see a cat on top of the Burj Khalifa building. Look, here a cat appears. I cut off the loading here. You can enlarge the video from here. Made a very cute cat video. Here is a cat with the Burj Khalifa building. Next I want to see Batman at the Taj Mahal of India. Made 4 very nice videos. I will play one from here. Batman is seen next to the Taj Mahal. And at the end, I want to see the Hulk take a bath in the sea. Here are 4 really cool videos making artificial intelligence. From here, I played a video. I am playing another video. Wait, it takes some time to load. Here is another nice option that will make the video look like a picture. Here you will give a picture of your choice. Here I want to see New York City with the picture. We can see here that this photo is accompanied by New York City video footage. Subscribe our channel to know more details video editing.